Go to next and choose first option, logical acquisition.
It's choose.
Then next, install. It's connector to install the mobile phone and connect it to mobility. Or maybe it's some error. Again install. Make sure allow the pop-up, every pop-up to your phone.
Yes, yes, yes. No.
Yes. This is your Redmi phone, Xiaomi phone.
Yes, yes.
Okay. If you use Xiaomi phone, it's some option in Mobile Edit Ultra. You acquire Xiaomi MIUI backup also. Click OK. And OK. Then choose application analysis. Third option. Yes. Then also please make sure on left side click on download preference reference files.
Ah, okay.
Then go to next. Okay. Yes. Now search some application like WhatsApp, Telegram. Uh, Find
Yeah.
this and click on application on WhatsApp. And you do you use WhatsApp in this phone?
Yes, yes, I have.
Okay. Let's click on WhatsApp business or WhatsApp personal job. Yeah. Then go to next. Also, if you use Instagram, you
I'm
analyze
actually on this, not Instagram.
any other application do you use, like Signal if you use, yes, SIM toolkit, yeah.
Okay.
Okay, that's enough. Go to next. Then use PDF. Yeah. Also make sure it's saved to ADB backup. Go back.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
Wait, wait.
Last option, save ADB backup. Yes. Then go next. Then next. Then export the file. Because this is the acquisition type is logical acquisition, not in
Okay.
physical acquisition. If your device is rooted, then we only acquire using physical acquisition.
Okay.
Because sometimes we use physical acquisition, sometimes we use only logical acquisition, and sometimes we use only like deleted data recovery
Yes, yes.
and everything.
Okay.
Yes. Open. Click on result folder. Yes. Go down, down, down. This is signal maybe because this is not your rotated phone, so maybe uh, WhatsApp chat, Instagram chat, or Signal chat is maybe not recovered. Okay,
Okay.
not recoverable because it's encrypted database.
Okay.
Okay, so that's why only this application, this mobility feature uh, analyze only permission, some permission of application and some icons of application. Okay, go
Okay.
down, you see. Yeah, this acquisition only analyze application verification, what type of download, what type of application you download
Okay.
in your mobile phone, and what
Okay.
kind of permission do you use on your on this application.
Okay.
Okay, so open mobile edit again. Connect, go to connect page, uh, then go to finish. Yeah, then click on acquire Xiaomi MIUI backup. Go to next. Yeah, last option, then next. Yeah, make sure this open your mobile phone setting and go to your about phone and backup and restore. Step one, step two, step three. Follow these all steps
Okay.
on your mobile phone.
Ah,
First is open setting,
yes. Open.
then select about phone,
Okay.
and third is backup and restore.
Wait. About phone.
First option is about phone on top of the setting.
No.
Search on setting
Yes.
about phone,
Yes. Yes. Okay.
then
Backup star.
yes, backup.
I don't find it.
You don't find backup and restore.
No.
Search setting on you see search option
Yes. About phone.
top of the setting you see,
Yes.
and search backup and restore. Type backup and restore. Wait, let me check. I have also on my phone, so wait, let me check. Click on about phone. Click on about phone. Back. Okay. If you see here like connect to your security bypass. Click on security bypass.
Okay.
These option used to bypass your security level on your device.
Yes.
Okay. If you click on buy model, click on first option and go next. Then search
Mhm.
Redmi like Redmi and what Redmi 12 or what?
Uh, It's not can make. Redmi is like
What is your phone model?
five.
5.
Five.
5A or
Yes. Yes.
5A prime? It's okay. Next. Okay. Then get on image from ADB. Yes, click. Then you use this option. Okay, USB debugging is enabled.
Yes,
Wait,
the
wait,
bus
wait,
is.
wait. If your phone is any pop-up show, please allow.
Okay.
Do one thing: disconnect from the cable, disconnect from the
Disconnect.
yes, disconnect and again connect.
Okay.
No, no, no. First click next option on here on mobile edit. Click on next option, then disconnect, then connect.
Okay.
Click on cancel. Maybe this option is working on root option, rooted phone. Root access is required. Yeah. So on your phone is not rooted, right?
It's right.
Yeah, it's not rooted. So this option is not working. Go back. We use some another method. Go back. Um, these are option like get second option, third option, fourth option, and last option is every option is from rooted device. If your device is rooted, you obtain physical memory, you uh, get
Okay.
a physical access to direct to mobile device. Go back, do one thing, go back, go back, yeah, click on buy chipset, then next, search on here. It's not working here. Maybe it's
No.
Qualcomm chipset or what?
I don't know what chipset.
Maybe in Redmi phone is chipset is Qualcomm. Search
System.
Qualcomm. Click on chipset and go next.